Hi, I'm Ray Scarpelli, President and Dealer Principal here at Ray Chevrolet and Ray Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram in Fox Lake. And I'm humbled and honored to share with everybody the Time Dealer of the Year nomination for Illinois. This is an award that Time Magazine recognizes dealers throughout the country, and we really consider this a team achievement and our loyal customer achievement award. You know, if it wasn't for our customers who helped us get where we're at today, and our loyal employees who some have worked for us for 30 plus years, we don't get to where we're at today, and we don't get to the honor of serving them, our customers. It's with great pride that we thank our customers, and with great pride we thank our employees. This is an achievement for everybody to share that works for us and that has been part of our success, our loyal customers. Thank you.